Hello, I'm Giorgos and I still don't know how to cook.
And today we are cooking Bolognese Ragu.
Watch me cut it with no instructions.
Why?
Wow! I am learning something.
Yeah.
Kobe!
Smash! Look at him go! Mamma mia!
Did you ever cook pasta before?
It's the only thing I can cook, I think. Apparently I can cook. That's what I'm learning. There is some meat here, so I think the meat.
With onions. With the onion.
Like magic.
€3 knife, please.
€3 knife, you say?
The last time I showed you how to cut half moons.
I think I remember.
No.
Don't tell me.
This time we want cubes.
Cubes?
Yes, like dice the onion. Do you know how to dice an onion?
I will dice the onion.
Do you want me to show you first?
I think I will cut it, get this thing out and this thing out.
No, only the top.
Only the top part?
Yes.
I'm gonna peel it and then I'll start chopping and
let me
figure it out.
Let me show you how to do the first half. So first, you remove the top part. Then, you cut it in half. And now, do you want the lazy way?
Sure.
The lazy way, you cut here, 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 and here. You do one in half, and this is enough to give you cubes.
I am learning something.
Now it's your turn.
Watch me immediately fuck it up.
No,
We don't need to remove this part?
no. Did I remove that part?
I don't remember. I immediately forget whatever you do. So, you did this, right?
No,
You did this?
no.
You did this?
Yes,
Like this?
on an angle.
Here?
That's an angle.
This deep in?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
It's okay. Try not to cut the onion.
And?
Another one.
Boom.
You just need 5 cuts. You don't need more. Now you will need more. Knife skills. Remember your knife skills, yes.
Aha.
Your fingers.
Yes. Look at this beautiful chopping skill I unlocked. Cooking makes no sense to me. I did it.
Normally we need to start browning our meat first, but with the speed of Giorgos, we'll burn the meat before cutting the vegetables.
It's like slow and steady wins the race.
Slow. Do you have a pillar?
Do I have a pillar? I have a €2 pillar. I do have a pillar, right?
For the people who watched the previous episode, Giorgos, I don't have another spatula. Also Giorgos.
Here is my fancy pillar. I can do this.
What's the purpose of so many heads?
You can change the heads to do different things, I don't know. Nice and clean carrots, and now I will chop off their heads. Just the tip. Boom.
Cut the bottoms as well.
You just said cut the tip.
The upper and lower tip.
That's 2 tips.
And I have one tip for you. Don't cut your fingers.
That's inevitable, I think. You can't stop it. So,
I will show you another tip how to peel carrots. You can do this basically with a knife.
you asked for my peeler and then you use my €3 knife.
Let's see who will do it faster.
I think we both lose in this competition because
You have to no, you have to kill.
you.
I think I'm done as well.
None of them stop. Oh no.
I'm done. Your fancy pillar.
Let's use
Oh,
the...
no.
What? Like this?
Yes.
What? Apparently the back of the knife is the best thing for, I don't know, other
It's
things.
not the best. It's
don't know.
in case you don't have a pillar.
I hate my life. So yeah, this is definitely a mess. I wish it would go away. Whoa! I'm a wizard.
You're a wizard.
I'm
Harry.
not a wizard. It's just magic.
Do you know how to cut the carrot in cubes?
I will say no so you can show me and I can fuck it up immediately.
Do you know how to cut a julienne?
Who is Julian?
You cut it in half. Then what I like to do is to remove this part. We don't care that it broke. If it breaks, just make it slim. And then just cutting. We don't care for them to be like perfect squares.
He doesn't know that I'm a perfectionist.
And then you cut them into sticks. Just dice the sticks. If it's small, just use one hand. Really simple, right? So what are the steps?
We cut it like this, or we try at least.
Like do the same thing I was telling you. Like push it with your hands.
Chop it again.
Yep.
have to be gentle with the carrot. So
I will leave him alone this time.
I forgot what he said, but I think no, it feels wrong. He said sticks. Sticks. This feels wrong. I will chop them this way. He's dying from laughter. His face is red. Look at these beautiful cubes. Haha. So remind me the instructions again because I immediately forgot them.
Be careful with your fingers.
I've never cut my fingers in all the years that I've been holding a knife.
Cut.
Only other people.
Cut this in half.
Okay.
No, not that way.
This way?
No. Yes. Be careful with your fingers.
This feels hard to cut.
Because I was not cutting like this, but this should still work. Yes.
Huh.
No.
Look at this perfect straight line. Perfect. Perfect. We
Now cut sticks.
sticks.
Your fingers.
It's getting hard.
Yes.
Yes.
Try to cut with this part of the knife. The bottom part. The bottom part of the knife, not the top.
It feels easier.
Your
But
fingers.
why haven't you told me to cut with this part?
I don't know.
Lousy teacher. Oh. Huh?
Try smaller.
Boom.
Now,
I did it.
Do the rest.
I think my €3 knife needs sharpening.
Your skills is sharpening.
What skills? I don't know. This. And celery time.
Cut the celery while the meat is browning.
Sounds racist.
You still have a girlfriend? Call back.
Browning time. How do I use this? I just
Smash!
smash. I smash. This feels wrong.
We put some effort, Trent.
Ta-ta-ra-ra-ra-ra. Can I use my spatulas now?
Why do you want to use a spatula?
I don't know. Why shouldn't I use a spatula?
That's more than enough. Go and cut the celery.
Celery time. How many celery things do you want? Is this good enough?
3 should be good enough.
Now you decapitate the celery.
Use your knife.
I don't want to use my knife because I
Uh,
can use my hands, right? No.
No. Wait, leave them now.
No, it's my celery.
You just cut the head, cut the bottom,
Yes.
and now wash them.
Watch me cut it with no instructions.
Why? Now I need to cut this as well for no reason. The correct way to cut this celery for this recipe, it's good to break it so it can stay flat. Do some lines.
That sounds illegal.
It's green, not white. And then just dice. He was almost there. Not close enough. And what do we say, Giorgos?
Close enough is not good enough.
Yes. You want nice little cubes.
Okay, close enough.
You just need to break it. Remove the big part, yes. I don't think the problem is the knife.
It's me, I am always a problem.
Giorgos is always the problem.
That's,
Without telling the...
we throw this away because, I don't know, reasons. And then I went too thin, okay. Practice makes perfect. I will be perfect in
I will not comment.
20 to 30 years.
I will not comment on his fingers. I will let him cut himself once. And then he will be careful, right? We don't want perfect cubes.
It's okay. You can eat your mistakes away, I think.
So, do you know what we call this?
I actually do. I heard it once on TV. It's mirepoix.
What do you think? Do you think this is burnt?
Isn't it?
No, this is all the flavor.
High
We
on
want
the
it.
flavor.
We can remove this and start with our veggies. Just put it in a bowl or a plate, something fast, it's burning. You can use a spoon, right?
I don't have a spoon right now. This is definitely a bad idea. Look at this flavor, apparently. Veggie time.
Now put some salt so your veggies can soften.
Table salt or sea salt?
Do you know the difference?
The one is big and chunky.
The other one.
What?
I want the fine salt.
Fine salt it is. We need to add the meat.
No, the tomato paste.
Ah, a bit.
Use your feeling.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cheap product. Put some more.
It's not about cheapness, isn't this like a really strong
Yeah.
flavor?
Now you need to cook it so the bitterness goes off.
For shuffle. I will use my instincts and I will lower the temperature a bit. So we need to add the tomato juice as well.
No, now you need to deglaze with your wine.
Ah, we need to deglaze, yes.
Do you know what deglaze is?
I think you put the wine and then you let it there for a bit and then tada, magic.
The acidity from the wine will remove the burn
Yes,
part.
acidity of the wine, yes.
Wine has some sugars as well. It will help caramelize your vegetables.
Okay, how much?
Just around a glass.
A little bit more.
How much wine do you drink?
Just a glass. The huge ones like this big. Actually, it smells really nice. Does it need more wine?
No, see, your pot is clean.
Okay.
Just scrub it to get that flavor. Now that you hear the sizzle, you can add your meat back.
Okay.
And now open your tomato juice boxes.
Tomato time. Smells so good and tasty.
Add your cube.
Chicken. Don't know, it's vegetable, right? I think so. Cube
Right.
time. If I can get it
Okay,
open.
okay. It has some red markings. Just get it from there and peel it. Magic.
Cube time.
I prefer to break it before throwing it in, but sure.
I broke it inside. Almost.
Now it's milk time.
With what?
Milk time.
Milk.
Yes.
What? How much milk?
You will put it slowly in small portions. The milk is in
Little bit
room
of
temperature, by the way. Stir it.
Okay.
Put some water into your tomato cube can.
Take it, you want to reuse your, I don't know, things.
Recycling.
Recycling.
Stir again. When you are stirring,
Yeah.
like these things should stir as well. It's one movement. You don't have to do a lot. It's just one movement. You go from down up. That's all. Now let's give it some heat. And that's all. Let's go and cut the cheese.
So now it's my favorite time. It's cheese time, right?
You need to grade the cheese from 1 to 10.
It's a 10 out of 10.
I think he doesn't need help on how to grate cheese.
He thinks. Apparently it's too hard to cut the cheese because I'm stupid. Oh, beautiful.
Try using an angle, it makes it easier.
Like this.
An angle, yes.
Oh, cheesy.
Hey, catch.
Damn. Okay, water is boiling. What's next?
Salt your water.
I'm not gonna do salt bay. As we learned from the previous episode, that's not a good idea. How much salt?
A
All
lot.
the salt. Okay.
A lot of salt.
More?
It's fine.
Okay.
Yep. Now put your pasta in. We are 2 people, so normally it's like 100 grams per person. But let's be honest. Just put almost all of the box.
Almost all of it?
We can do all of it.
Or should we add half?
How much is the box? 500 grams?
Yeah.
Put 400. Don't use the scale, just remove 1/5.
Huh?
Almost.
Almost.
Good idea.
Bad execution. Yeah.
Like these videos are a good idea, but bad execution. How much time does the box say that they need to boil?
12 minutes.
Do you have time?
Yeah. Once I put all of them in.
So we will do 2 minutes less than the box. So in 9 minutes.
Maths.
Let's start with our pasta. Time has passed. Oh, now what you want to do is add some heat here. Get some of your sauce, put it in the pan.
Big boy spoon.
Get a big chunk. Since we are for 2 people, do it twice.
Okay.
Normally you do this per portion, but I think you can get another small one. We're big boys.
Big hungry boys. Because we've been cooking for this for a while.
It's been cooking for like an hour. Now get your pasta from here and add it to the pan. And now if you're a fat boy, you can add some butter.
I can add what?
Butter.
Butter?
Yes. It will help the sauce blend well with the pasta.
How much butter?
Not a lot, but we are not fat boys.
Oh.
We are gym boys.
I'm currently not a gym boy.
But you will be, right?
Right? Right?
Now stir everything together. Use the tongs that we used last time. Oh, you know what you need to do, right?
No.
Flip them.
I don't think that's a good idea. You just want to watch me fail.
Let's use both hands. Oh,
Close enough.
let me try.
Look at him go.
Now it's time to plate.
Of course. That's my specialty. Now this is for you and this is for...
Ah, that's a nice way to play it. So normally, if you want to get fancy, you get this one. You put it here, then you use your tongs to rotate everything into your spoon, and that's how they played in the restaurants. But we are big boys, right?
Yeah.
That's how we played. Some Parmigiano Reggiano. I will plate mine. You can plate yours.
There you go, my guy.
Who wants a spoon for pasta?
I don't know. Me?
He doesn't use spoons where he needs to use, and he uses spoons for
Fuck it,
pasta.
I won't use a spoon.
But wait, you cannot eat pasta without some cola.
Yes, I can. Watch me. It's too hot.
Oh, thank you.
So I will actually need cola.
We actually need cola. So let's try.
Ching.
Pink. It's good.
It's better than I thought.
You underestimated my food skills again.
Don't try this at home because we are obviously trained professionals.
Yes.
Emphasis on trained and professionals.
You always need more cheese, huh?
Yeah.
What are we cooking next?